Hi, I'm Kris Chambers, Digital Retailing Manager with LaFontaine Automotive Group. When making a vehicle purchase or lease decision, the question we all want answered sooner rather than later, what's my monthly payment going to be? So what determines your monthly payment? Well, first, it's all about vehicle selection and price. Next comes your personal financing options and the current manufacturer rebates. And lastly, deciding how much money, if any, you want to put down. With the power of LaFontaine Digital Retailing, you're just a few clicks away from finding the car of your dreams at a payment you can afford. Let me show you how it's done. Here we are on our LaFontaine Volkswagen website. Once you've browsed our inventory and found the vehicle you're looking for, simply click on Personalize your payment. Our payment calculator works in real time. You can choose from lease, finance, or pay cash. Adjust your term, and you'll notice the payment calculator is updated in minutes. You can even add your down payment. Miles per year you want to drive, and even your credit score range. Have a trade-in? No problem. You can upload your trade in seconds. Be sure to include your address so we can calculate your taxes and fees. Also important for your address is any special rebates or incentives that come from the manufacturer. You can click here to see what you qualify for. Have a question about eligibility? Click here and it'll briefly go over the plan. Review all your selections. It's just that simple. I know you're thinking, what's next? You can either lock in your payment here online and have an approval in just minutes, or you can print your deal, set up an appointment for a test drive. It's just that simple. Whether you shop with LaFontaine in person or online, we strive to personalize your automotive retail experience. If you have any questions, please visit our digital retailing FAQ page or email us at feedback@lafontaine.com. And thanks for watching.